The Rush Limbaugh Show is an American conservative talk radio show hosted by Rush Limbaugh. Since its nationally syndicated premiere in 1988, The Rush Limbaugh Show became the highest-rated talk radio show in the United States. The show airs on almost 600 radio stations nationwide. On February 17, 2021, Limbaugh died at the age of 70 after being diagnosed with lung cancer. A statement from Premiere Networks said that the show would continue with a mix of archived content and guest hosts. The Rush Limbaugh Show had a format which it retained until its conclusion. The program aired live and consisted primarily of Limbaugh's monologues based on the news of the day, interspersed with parody ads, phone calls from listeners, and a variety of recurring comedy bits. Limbaugh also would announce live commercials during the show for sponsors. He would also sometimes promote his own products, such as his political newsletter, The Limbaugh Letter, or his Rush Revere children's history books. Occasionally, Limbaugh featured guests such as politicians or fellow commentators. An edited instrumental version of The Pretenders' My City Was Gone was Limbaugh's theme song at the start of his show's run. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.